Released in 2023, the Asus ROG Ally quickly made waves in the handheld gaming market. Now, rumors are swirling about a potential successor, the ROG Ally 2, that builds on its predecessor's strengths while addressing key areas for improvement. With whispers of enhanced battery life, upgraded RAM and SSD, and a renewed focus on gaming performance, this rumored next-gen portable console has gamers buzzing with anticipation. In today's video, we will go through all the rumored specs and features, performance and design. We'll also discuss a possible release date and price tag. So, let's start the video. The ROG Ally 2's design remains clouded with mystery, but it might retain the original's sleek and well-designed form factor. We can hope for potential refinements to address user feedback, particularly regarding the problematic micro SD card slot. The original's heat-related issues with external storage could see a significant redesign, ensuring better protection and functionality. The display might see a significant upgrade, featuring an OLED screen for more vibrant colors and deeper blacks, enhancing the overall visual experience. The user interface might see an overhaul, with rumors suggesting a more robust Armoury Crate overlay, offering denser options for enhanced customization and control. These changes could elevate the gaming experience, making the ROG Ally 2 a more refined and user-friendly device. While official specifications for the ROG Ally 2 remain undisclosed, speculation points towards significant upgrades. Building upon its predecessor, the device might offer enhanced RAM options, ranging from 16 GB to 32 GB, feeding to more memory-hungry gaming needs. Storage capabilities could see a boost, with expectations of up to 1 TB SSD, providing enough space for extensive game libraries. A more powerful processor is also anticipated. There's also a slight possibility that the handheld console might use AMD's upcoming Strix Halo APU. These improvements suggest Asus's commitment to pushing the boundaries of handheld gaming performance. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to address key areas for improvement where the previous model failed. A significant focus might be on enhancing the gaming experience, with rumors suggesting a more gaming-centric approach while retaining Windows functionality. The device could utilize AMD's latest APU technology, promising improved performance and efficiency. The original ROG Ally introduced features like AMD Fluid Motion Frame support, which could be further refined in the successor. Performance inconsistencies, particularly in 720p gaming, might be fixed through hardware and software optimizations. The new model could also focus on improving thermal management and overall system stability. The ROG Ally 2 is anticipated to offer a more polished user experience, with an enhanced interface for easier navigation and control in gaming scenarios. Battery life has been a persistent challenge for handheld gaming consoles, with most devices, including the original ROG Ally, offering only 1.5 to 2 hours of playtime for demanding games. However, the recent ROG Ally X showed significant improvement with double the capacity. The ROG Ally 2 is anticipated to build on this progress, offering even longer battery life. This enhancement could be a game changer, making the device more appealing to a broader audience by allowing for extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. The ROG Ally 2's release date remains unconfirmed, but given the ROG Ally X's summer 2024 launch, it's likely we have to wait until 2025 or later to see this next-gen model. pricing information is currently unavailable. However, considering the original ROG Ally's $699 and the ROG Ally X's $799 cost, we can speculate that the ROG Ally 2 might be priced similarly or higher, depending on its improvements and market positioning. The ROG Ally 2, though still shrouded in speculation, hints at Asus's commitment to elevating handheld gaming. From OLED displays to enhanced performance and extended battery life, these rumored upgrades accommodate key user concerns. While the improvements sound promising, it's crucial to remember that all information remains unconfirmed. Still, if these rumors come true, the device might emerge as a strong competitor to the Steam Deck, reshaping the portable gaming landscape. However, until Asus makes an official announcement, gamers should temper their excitement with patience. That's all for today. Are you excited for this upcoming portable gaming console? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.